Here's something wild. Your heart stops beating every time you sneeze. Not for long, just for a split second. It's part of your body's reflex system. When you sneeze, your chest contracts, your pressure shifts, and your heart briefly pauses. But you don't feel it, because it restarts so fast. Some people even say bless you came from this because your heart technically skips a beat. It's one of those strange things your body does to protect you, without you even knowing. Follow for more facts hiding inside your own body.